DJI will officially present the Osmo Pocket 4 on April 16th. DJI's new vlogging camera will reach the US for around $499. We have the first set of official images of the DJI Pocket 4 camera, shared by Igor, one of the most trusted sources for DJI news and information. From the leaked marketing materials, the design tells its own story. The Pocket 4 keeps its signature slim, vertical form, but now appears more solid and mature. The handle looks slightly thicker with a textured grip, improving stability during handheld shooting. The Osmo Pocket 4 appears to be an evolutionary upgrade over the Pocket 3, focusing on improved low-light performance and enhanced software features. The Osmo Pocket 4 also appears to borrow from GoPro in adopting a new super photo camera mode, featuring a rotating touchscreen displaying a stunning landscape. Intuitive new controls for zooming in, including a joystick, record button, and microphone grill. The Pocket 4 camera seems like a subtle upgraded version of the Pocket 3. 1-inch sensor equivalent CMOS listed as 2.5 centimeters. Optimized for superior low-light performance and dynamic range, matching the evolutionary upgrade from the Pocket 3. Video recording, inclusion of 4K per 240 frames per second video recording. Stabilization, advanced 3-axis gimbal for rock-steady shots, refined for even better handling. Focusing and tracking, fast autofocus with intelligent face/object detection, ensuring sharp subject lock during dynamic vlogs. Rumors and leaks suggest its price will likely range from approximately $599 for a base model up. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.